This chapter of the video will show you how to copy your design so you can see two different reports side by side, as well as how to arrange the panels in the display on the screen. We'll begin with copying the design, and before we do that, we need to give our original design a name. We'll simply click on the Designs tab, and for Enter Design Name, I'm going to enter PAL, and simply click the Enter button, and you'll see now that it's listed here. Now I'm going to click on Design again and select Copy, and now I have the PAL copy. Now as we start to edit this, we're going to notice the kilowatt hour production for our copy is going to be in green, and we can kind of compare the two. So I'm going to click on my modules here, make sure that I have my strings assigned. I've got 9 panels on string 1, 9 on string 2, and 9 on string 3. Now I'm going to come back into our plane orientation, and for this particular report I'm going to change the tilt angle by simply clicking on Use Latitude. Once I've done that, you can notice here in the energy production box the comparison of these two systems. Simply by changing the tilt angle on the copy of the PAL report, I've increased my kilowatt hour production slightly. Now we may want to arrange our panels at different locations on the roof. As we notice, the red areas have the greatest solar insolation percentages. If I want to move the whole array, I simply click with my mouse and drag until I've highlighted every single panel. You can move these panels by using your arrow keys. As you move the arrow keys, they are moving at 1 pixel per stroke. If you use the Shift key and the arrow key, they now move at 5 pixels per stroke. Now I'm going to move this all the way over to the left-hand side of the roof to try to get more of this in the red area. As I do this and I move it down, I'm going to be able to see what happens to my energy production, and it is now increased to 5,845. It is a modest increase, but an increase nonetheless. So this allows me to compare the information from the original design as well as the information from the copy design and make any changes that we would like to make, and to see how the results will compare with one another.